Welcome to Masterclass. Today I am going to be cooking a teacup cookie. And today, first, before we touch the food, you need to wash your hands. The ingredients for today is a Tictock clock biscuit, a marshmallow, 1 freckle, and half a lifesaver, and some icing. So first, you need to give the icing a twist, about like that, and then hold it like this, and then curve your hand around. First, to get your Tictock clock biscuit, then get your marshmallow, turn it over to the bottom, put some icing on the bottom of the marshmallow, and that's about all you need. And then you sit it right in the middle of your Tictock clock biscuit. And then next you get your freckle, flip it over to the bottom, put some icing on the bottom, and that's all you need. And then you put it on top of your marshmallow. And then this is the tricky bit. Get your half a lifesaver and put some icing on the very tip. Not too much. And that's about enough. And then you sit that on the side of your marshmallow. And there you have it, guys. The teacup biscuit. Thank you.